communicate through gestures.
Did you ever want to talk to someone, but you were at a quiet place and asked not to speak? Or did you want to communicate with people who couldn't hear your words? So you gestured with your arms, face, and body to send helpful messages?
Yes, I was surprised by how many gestures people can use to communicate kindness, show we care, and that we agree.
Sign language is used mainly by people who are deaf or have hearing impairments, and others who want to communicate with them. Just like spoken languages, there are many different sign languages around the world. I am excited to learn how American Sign Language works so I can communicate with people who use it.
Let's start by drawing some common gestures that we know and use sketches to help us learn some sign language. We can display our art as a reminder for ourselves and others.
You will need mural paper, sketch paper, washable markers, colors of the world markers, window crayons. Connect.
Gestures have movement in them, usually arms and hands, and sometimes face and head too. My team will sketch some kindness and supportive gestures we know, like hand waving, head nodding, and arms reaching out to welcome people. What other gestures could you draw?
We found this great book and a website that shows American Sign Language. I'm excited to draw signs that mean welcome, we care, and can I help?
Create.
My team will create a wall mural that shares American Sign Language images with others.
My team will draw common kindness gestures on the window to remind people who see our art from indoors and outside.
Present.
Our window art shows common gestures that make people feel welcome and supported. Which do you recognize?
My team worked on this wall mural, showing the formal signs we learned in American Sign Language. Everyone who sees our art can learn this way of communicating with people who can't hear voices. Respond.
Our pictures are great reminders of ways to make others feel welcome and supported. We learned some American Sign Language from our friend's mural. And our window art will teach them gestures that can become welcoming habits.
We can use arm and hand movements to communicate kindness and support, whether it is a common wave or an American Sign Language gesture that we are learning. There are many gestures that help us communicate with others.